Hey guys, it's your girl Ariel Versace and welcome back to my channel.
Hey now, hey now. Yes.
Alright, so today's video I'm super excited about. It is my second installment in my Betsey Johnson Glamour Cosmetics collaboration. So today's look is going to be a little bit of a punk rock princess. I am so in love with this look. The glitter, the darkness, of it all. But yeah, I love this look so much. It's giving me very MySpace top 8 kind of vibes, you know what I mean? I gotta pose this out, hold on. God, it is raining so hard outside. I'm about to like go play with my spell books down in the basement. Who used to shop at Hot Topic like a lot when they were in high school? Because I mean, I'm 27 years old now, and I remember when I was younger, like I really loved, like I wanted to like shop at Hot Topic all the time. But you know what? It was really expensive to look that sad. You know what I mean? By the way, this adorable little dress is also from Betsey. But yeah, keep tuning in, and we are going to show you how you get this Betsey Johnson punk rock princess look. Yes.
This looks crazy with just one eye. This looks crazy with just one eye.
Damn, that's some makeup. Damn, like last week's was like, you know, that like whole pretty in pink thing. This is like makeup, get into it, sweaty. Alright guys, so for this week's tutorial, like I said, we are going to do our punk rock princess look using all of the Betsey Johnson cosmetics. I'm super excited for this look. It's very dark, very sexy. Obviously, if you're a drag queen, you can do this look. If you're a real womana, you can like unsupersize this, uncrunch wrap supreme it, take it down to the minimal of this, but this is the basic outline. But yeah, oh my nose. Alright, so I'm loving this though, it's very sassy. So I'm gonna give you guys a little step-by-step on how to achieve this look using the Betsey Johnson cosmetics. Yes! So the first thing we're gonna do is tap into our palette into this shade called Punk Rock Princess. Go off, sis. So yeah, it's just like the black. We're gonna kind of tap this on both sides of the lid and bring it like inward towards the center of your eye. I don't know about y'all, but I for the life of me cannot get that Miley Cyrus "Hey, I'm on it" from Black Mirror out of my goddamn head. Anyway, back to our tutorial. And you want them to kind of just like meet in the center ever so slightly. So you get the little hole. We love a good hole. Alright, now using a different brush, you're going to want to tap into this color, Petticoat, right here. And we're going to mix up a little bit of this color, Rock On. It's going to be a little shimmery shade right in the middle center of the lid. And boom, look at that. We're moving and grooving, kiddos. We're going to douse it. This is just going to be our base because we're going to douse it in glitter as well. If you don't want to use the glitter, you don't have to. So if you guys just want to utilize just eyeshadow, if you're not like a glitter fiend like I am, you can totally just use this shade and it's going to give you more of like a metallic finish rather than a glittery finish. But for today, we're going to go for the glittery finish. But like I said, it's a mixture of these colors, Petticoat and Rock On. And I said you're just going to concentrate that in the very, very center. And then just tap that black again over and around the edges to blend out. Now we're going to tap back into that color that I love that we used last week, Cartwheel. And we're going to use this to kind of blend out the darkness on the top. So we're just going to press that over the black and blend out. And you're just going to keep repeating that until the black and the pink are blended into each other and outwards. And I'm warning y'all right now, I'm aware that smoky eyes totally look like a total boop-boop full mess until they're finished. See, this is scary. This beautiful. So just keep moving and grooving, keep watching, we'll get it together. Now we're going to highlight our brow bone to give a little pop to the eye. We're just going to use a little bit of a light concealer and a brush and just tuck that right under the brow bone. And then we're just going to blend this down into that color Cartwheel. And now that we got that base on there, we're going to tap back into the color Cartwheel and we're just going to kind of re-go over it again, blend it into that concealer upward just to kind of set it. Alright, now we're going to take this color Tutu and we're going to highlight the brow bone. We're just going to set that white concealer up at the top. Just going to blend that downward into Cartwheel. And with highlighting the brow bone, more is more. Take that same fluffy dome brush with the Cartwheel on it and we are just going to kind of go again. You're just going to keep kind of blending this out. Keep doing this step right here until everything blends out to your liking. You know what I mean? Now that that's looking nice and sexy, fun, and funky fresh, we're going to take... We're going to tuck a little bit of the black shade under the eye, and we're going to use that color Punk again. We're going very dark this week. This is a night look. This isn't something that I would say to go like inspect eggplants at your local grocery store. I would say go inspect a different type of eggplant, like at the club, you know what I mean? Now we're gonna take that same dome brush again. We're gonna take the color Cartwheel, hello, and tuck that right under the black. And you're just gonna keep kind of blending and blurring this out until the two blend together. All right, now that we've got that blended out to our liking as of right now, we're gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner. Really take this to a night look. Damn. I keep looking at myself and I'm like, why do I look crazy on this side? I was like, eyebrows. Let's put on some eyebrows. So we're gonna tap back into this palette and I'm gonna be using the shade Frisky again to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna wet my brush with a little bit of a setting spray and we're just gonna go in, let these puppies have it. And then we're just gonna use the Betsey Johnson dome brush with a little bit of Cartwheel left over to blend out the front. And then also tap into this color Tutu. Stick that right at the front as well. Stick it right in the front. I just like to use a big fluffy brush to blend out. Like blend my brow, crease, shadows, all together. Ooh, womana. All right, and like I said, you can just leave this as the metallic shadow, which looks nice and awesome, but we are just gonna take it to the next level. We're gonna take a little bit of glitter glue, and we're just gonna press that over this metallic shade that we used from the palette. Just load up the center of the lid with glitter glue. Yep. Because you know, we are a punk rock princess, and every princess needs her glitter, okay? She needs to shine bright like a diamond, Henny. Glitterama. And then brush off the excess with a fluffy brush. Once again, we're going to be tapping back into the palette. We're going to be taking this shade Lulu, this light whitish cream color over here in the corner. And we are just going to highlight the inner corner gently and set it for another glitter. So you're just going to press that and blend outwards. Makes the inner corner nice and bright. And again, if you're not somebody that likes glitter, you can just highlight with that or put another metallic shade over that from the palette, like Dress Up. Now, once we got that back on there, we're going to tap back into our glitter glue and press that in the very inner corner. Then we're going to take a little white silver glitter and ba-bam. Put that right there. Ooh, wah. Feeling like a punk rock princess. I don't know about you. All right, now these lashes are looking a little dry. So we're going to take a little bit of the Betsey Johnson mascara and we are going to coat these lashes so they are black and dark and pretty. And I love this brush. It's very fluffy. It's one of those giant, big old giant Dior brushes. Brushes. It's like a Dior brush, but much more affordable. So if you're a gal on the go who likes Dior show and want to say no, get this one. Also, their mascara does come with lash fibers. So if you really want to build up your lashes, you can do that. I am not going to do that today because I'm going to be gluing on gigantic eyelashes. So we don't need to do that today, Mary. But if you're somebody that does not like false eyelashes, totally try out the fibers just to build up your natural lash. All right, ladies and gentle dudes, we gotta get some color on this face. I don't know about y'all. So I'm gonna take a little bit of blush and we're gonna use this big Betsey Johnson fluffy brush and we are just going to give ourselves some colors. Paint with all the colors of the wind. Miss Pocahontas. I'm gonna be feeling like the only MySpace princess. So question, real fast. Who remembers on MySpace? You remember when you could use like those codes to make your profile look cooler? I would go like ham. Like I would make it look like it was not even a MySpace profile anymore. Like it was like, I don't know what it was a freaking profile for, but I had the coolest little cheat codes. Now another random little thing that I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna highlight a little bit with a with like a matte highlighter first, and I'm actually gonna take this eyeshadow shade Lulu and I'm gonna throw that on my cheek just to brighten up the tops of my cheek. So we're going to tap back into our beautiful Betsey Johnson highlighter and use our big fluffy Betsey Johnson highlighting brush, and we're just going to let these cheeks have it. Oh, y'all need this highlighter, so for real. The glow. All right, now I didn't want to go nude today. I wanted to dip into one of these more fun colors since last week we did just the nudes. So we are going to dip into this color today, and this is Cartwheel. Hello. So it's matching the shadow. Perfect. God, I'm such a genius. It's got that same good smell, I think. Oh my god. Okay, it came off. That was close. It's a look. I look like a Who from Whoville. Like I'm like... This color's really pretty. Oh, yes. All right, guys, so for gloss, I'm actually taking that same gloss that we used last week, but we are flipping it over. First now, flip it in reverse. And we're going to be using this more intense side. And this is called, doesn't have a name. It's written on the other side. The Sparkle On Down. Okay, so the duo is called Sparkle On Down. This is a sparkle. We're going on down. Heavens to Betsey. This is just giving it that extra boom. I feel like I'm very hyper today. I think it's because I drank a really huge coffee before I made this video. Shout out to Starbucks. You know, that got that cold brew with the coconut milk. No sugar. I will say the only thing with these glosses is the applicator, like, it doesn't pick up a lot of product at a time, so you gotta keep dipping back in. But I don't really mind that because, especially if you're somebody that sucks at putting on lip products, it kind of forces you to take your time and do a little bit at a time. So that's not a bad thing. I'm sorry, but like, I'm hot. Now because I'm feeling like so hardcore, I'm gonna take a little black eyeliner. I'm gonna give myself a little heart right here. Ugh, so cool. That is the most lopsided heart I've ever seen in my life. Okay, that's better. Oh, I just realized that kind of looks like one of those tears when, like, you know, you kill someone. You know what? I killed this look. Guys. What? Look at me. I'm gonna blend this a little more. Alright guys, so I am now going to go off camera and apply lashes, contacts, and get into final looks for our punk rock princess. But I will tell you, Betsey does have a pack of eyelashes that you can purchase, but oh god. But Stacy, you know what? These are for you. They're not for me. I need my big spider lashes. But you know what? If I was going to go a little day fish, I would wear these. Obviously, these bottom ones are really, really hot. So they go from like the most kind of like natural or like lightweight, not noticeable, to more and more intense. So I would say day fish, afternoon fish, I'm going on a date, take me the home, I'm ready. So yeah, all different types of lashes for, you know what, all your different types of needs. All right guys, let's get ready and turn into our punk rock princess. Yes. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this week's tutorial. More to come. I'm super excited to do this video and share it with you guys. I am loving this look. And tune in next week for a new one. And as always, yes.